This is cause number 2025-4059 in the interest of Matias Perez. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn.
Este es el número de causa 2020-540-59 en el interés de Matías Ediel Pérez. Todas las personas levanten las manos derechas.
You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
¿Va a decir la verdad y solo la verdad ante Dios?
Sí.
Sí.
Yes, yes.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Señora, diga su nombre completo y la relación del niño.
Mi nombre es Evelyn Araujo y soy la mamá de Matías Pérez.
Que bajen la mano, por favor.
My name is Evelyn Araujo and I'm the mother of the child.
All right, sir, your name and your relationship to the child.
Señor, ¿cuál es su nombre completo y la relación del niño?
Heriberto Pérez. Y
And your,
Matías.
and your relationship to the child.
¿Y la relación del niño?
Su papá de él.
Heriberto Pérez, I'm the father.
All right, and counsel, your name and who you represent, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. This is Sabina Karim representing Heriberto Perez, the NCP in this case.
All right, and for the state?
Angela Jeffries for the Office of the Attorney General.
All right, what are we doing today, Miss Jeffries?
Your Honor, I'm honestly not sure on this case. I will defer to Ms. Kareem, but my understanding was there was a motion for new trial. That motion was for new denied in the district court. Do not see a new motion pending. So I'll
Okay.
defer to other attorneys.
All right, let me, Miss Kareem, what are we doing today?
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, we have requested for a motion for new trial on this case. The hearing was on March 13th, Your Honor, and then there was a default judgment that was signed by this court, Your Honor. We actually filed a motion for new trial on April 19th. 30 days time limit. However, yes, sir.
Okay, let me look at these docket entries here. March 16th, father did not appear, and so there was a default hearing. Default order was signed March 23rd. Motion for new trial. Let's see, June 3rd, motion for new trial in front of Judge Peak. Other appeared, respondent appeared. Motion was denied by Judge Peak, my understanding, no?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and then the day after. So the motion was denied, Ms. Kareem. What are we doing today?
Yeah, Your Honor, we filed again the motion for new trial based on the 329B, Your Honor, that if a motion has been denied, we can bring it back in this court within the 30 business days to see if this court can review the judge's decision and has the plenary power.
Let me read your. Okay, let me read your motion.
Yes, Your Honor.
When was this motion filed? Because I don't see a copy of this motion that council's referring to.
Okay, I've pulled it, filed on the one that was filed April 19th. Is that the one we're talking about?
Your Honor, we filed it again on because it was denied, Your Honor, so we filed it.
Well, the district judge has denied your motion for new trial, Ms. Kareem. I'm not going to overrule that.
Yes, Your Honor, but it was denied because it wasn't the correct court, Your Honor. It should have been back to the I-4D court.
No, she can hear that.
Your Honor, in her notes, it says that because it was in the I-4D court, in case it was not referred to this court.
I mean, I guess I'm just a little bit confused procedurally.
Well,
when the trial was-
the district judge can hear a motion for new trial. Insufficient, no notice of filing for the motion of new trial, exhibits not exchanged. Motion will be denied by operation of law. I can't overrule that. I have to deny it. And I'll make a docket entry. I'll have to say the ruling stands. Motion was previously denied by the 257 District Court. I don't think we can go forward on it, Ms. Kareem.
Your Honor, if I may
Yes,
just
certainly.
request maybe have a guidance from you, Your Honor. My client, I know at that time he was not represented by us, Your Honor, he was pro se. So he
Yeah.
actually was there, and we did put that documentation to show that he was actually on Zoom hearing from 8 o'clock in the morning till 4 o'clock, in the afternoon on the Zoom, Your Honor, on that day. Unfortunately, he logged out and tried to log back in after 4 o'clock and was not able to enter in. And that's why he received a default on that, Your Honor. So maybe I'm just looking for guidance to see in this situation if there is anything that can be requested in this court.
I don't think so. I mean, there isn't anything that I can do. There was a default hearing. He wasn't present. There's no indication. Usually if the parties are there and then they log out while they're waiting, the AG will indicate that there was a party present and they logged out and they haven't logged back in. But in this case, there was no indication even of that. So I don't know how, I can't change it. So the motion is denied.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
Ms. Jeffries, is it possible if I can talk to you to see if there's something else maybe we